Like that.
All right, guys, welcome to this video. What we're going to be talking about, I got my friend Drew here, who...
What's up, guys?
He sells dad hats online, okay? So, people have been hitting my DMs, my recent posts. They're like, how the heck do I make money online? Guys, the thing is, you scroll through the gram all day, you've seen things like this. What we're looking at right here is a dank meme page, okay? So how cool does that sound? Get paid to freaking post memes on the internet, dude. Get paid to post memes. So this is, I literally just found this account. I typed in memes and it has 3 million followers. I mean, that's a pretty good handle. Mm-hmm. But you guys obviously follow meme pages like...
Everyone follows at least one page.
Who is that? Dude, who is that one meme page?
I could rattle off
Fuck Jerry. That's what it is. Fuck Jerry.
Fuck Jerry.
Yeah, that man is killing it. So guys, what you're going to do is just post memes, okay? 3 million followers obviously is a lot, but you got to start somewhere. And if you haven't noticed on the internet, everyone just reposts the same content over and over again, right? So I'm sure you guys have all seen this, like it's Snoop Dogg.
Yeah. And what we're doing right now, we're laughing, and that's what you want your audience to do too. Right?
Exactly.
They're gonna like the. I mean, you can really go full into any niche you wanted to, but for me, I've tried several different things. I tried like gym workout niche, that didn't really work for me because I wasn't completely into it. Memes, I'm gonna have a blast posting.
Dank memes,
because
exactly.
Yeah. Whenever I see, who doesn't laugh at a meme? You're not human.
That's what I'm saying. Well, it doesn't just have to be memes. Like if you're a girl and you have a nice butt, as weird as it sounds, like literally, dudes are so thirsty on the internet. You could just post pictures of your butt, slowly grow a following, and then you'll get sponsorships from like Gymshark or Fashion Nova, and you'll make money that way.
Yeah.
Okay, that's called being an Instagram influencer. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is just look at this meme page, and I found this product posting. Okay. So they're selling these mugs that when it's cold, it's black, but when it turns, when it gets hot, it turns into a...
Dude, I don't want to buy it.
Right? So you can see this. They're actually smart. They went ahead and created their own merch store. But what most influencers will do is like promote other products. Okay, so for example, I'm sure you guys have seen these, right? Have you seen these?
Yeah.
It's like a little charger with an animal, right? And then you see someone post like on the meme page, I've seen the post, it's like, what does it say? It's like, I swear y'all buy the dumbest shit, but where can I buy one? Right? Then it's like link in the description. Guys, look how much this is costing the person who's selling it. It's costing them $1.43 a piece. Guarantee, I haven't actually gone to a store, but I guarantee they sell it for like $5 or $10. Probably like $10.
Yeah,
right?
I would say.
And that's just all profit. So literally all you do, you create a store that has little things like this, right? Like something that's cute. You go find an influencer, like a meme page, and you say, hey, I want to promote my product. I'll pay you like $50 to give me a shout out, and then boom, all the sales are going to roll in through there. So we'll take a look at your store, man. But
can I say something?
Yeah, go ahead.
Never, when you're trying to find pages, if you're just starting out, go for someone who has in between, like I'd say 100 to 200K followers, because
I'd say that's a good range.
Anybody else really, it's going to be too out of your budget. You know, I mean, it wouldn't be worth it really, because you're not going to get.
You want to be careful too, guys, because there's fake followers out there, so you want to make sure you're going after an account that actually has legitimate engagement.
There's a couple websites out there where you can check the engagement rate.
Really?
You just enter.
What's it called?
Why don't we just look up engagement rate calculator for Instagram.
Type Instagram handle here. Okay, let's go at memes.
And I believe if it's
let's search. What the hell?
Higher than like 1 point.
Oh, it already has the at in front of it.
Yeah. That's
why.
Let's see.
We're doing this on a whim.
Yeah. So that is...
engagement rate 1.62%.
Probably not going to be a good... Let me just see.
That's pretty decent.
It's decent, but...
3 million followers, like, let's see how many likes they get. Like, this photo got 12,000 likes. Okay, but some of their higher-end photos, like 71K, I'd say it's a decent... I'd say above 1% is decent. Below 1%, don't even touch it. Yeah. Okay, so this product right here, guys, what we're going to do is literally just look at their store, right? So they have a second page where they sell memes merch, right? And if we click this link, here we have a bunch of products, okay? We scroll down, it's like a bunch of meme-related products. So what you can do, guys, is you can go on Upwork.com, you can go on Fiverr, you hire a freelancer, someone who is good at graphic design, and then you go and use a print-on-demand solution like Viral Style, Gear Bubble, trying to think what else. There's a ton out there. Printful. Okay, now these are all Shopify integrated. So I can go more in depth in a different video, but essentially, guys, you just hire a designer and they can create these types of designs for you, and you just promote them through Instagram. So, like, let's see. Funkle. Funkle, like a dad, only cooler. Dude, these are the best.
Dude,
these are the
that's
best.
gonna be me as well.
I saw one as I did see one that I definitely found on AliExpress. So, guys, if you're wondering what this site is right here, AliExpress, if you're brand new to dropshipping, you don't know what the heck I'm talking about, this is all products sourced from China, okay? So you buy cheap and then you sell high. It's literally what Walmart does. It's what Amazon does. That business model's been around for so long. So
yeah.
Okay, so like a hat like this, a shirt. A shirt that says "Send me dog pics," right?
Yeah, you can
sell
find
this.
funny shit on AliExpress.
You could sell this so easily, dude.
Yeah.
Right? You don't even have to hire a designer. Some of it's already on AliExpress.
Yeah.
So look at this shirt costs $7, right? Of course, you're gonna want to make sure it has e-packet, 12 to 20 days shipping. Okay, go ahead, design a store, get something like this up on there, and then what you would do from there is go look for Instagram dog accounts, send them a DM, be like, hey, I want to promote my product. I'll give you like $50, whatever. Negotiate the rate with them. Make sure they have high engagement using this tool.
And you can negotiate. You can really negotiate with them. Don't take the first price that they give you, because look, at the end of the day, they're just trying to get someone to pay them, right? So every day, if it's kind of like say we have the Ray Stadium out here, people like scouts, and what they do is they buy tickets from people at a cheaper cost, resell them. At the end of, like, if it's getting into like the first couple of innings of the game, they're going to want to get rid of them, right? So they're going to give them to you at a lower rate. It's just kind of like the same way. At the end of the day, they're going to make money, so they're going to take what?
Definitely.
Reasonably, though, you know, if they say like they charge 20, you might want to go for like 15, or I would even say like 10.
Just be careful. Like, look for the engagement rate again. Be careful.
Yeah.
Okay, because you don't want to just spend, let's say, $20 or $50 and you get no sales from it. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's take a look at your account, dude. What's the name of it?
It is Nice
Even
Hats.
though you don't have the.
Yeah, it's not live right now.
Nice
but
Hats.
I started out.
Wait, is that it? Nice Hat Club.
Yeah.
So here's what Drew's doing right now, guys, and he just got started. So give him a break. But what he's doing here.
well, let's give a context. I made an account. I made an account, a bikini account, and I was trying to grow it and maybe advertise like swimsuits on it. I just got a ton of guys following me, and that's not really marketable. Not really what I was into, actually. Memes are what I'm into, and I made a switch. I took the social proof that I had built up. As you can see, I have 2.8 thousand followers. I'm taking that, and I'm going to use that as social proof for when the leads come into
Got you.
to my account.
Yeah, so that way when he does a promotion through a different account, and then that person comes to this account, they can see, oh, it's like an active account.
Yeah.
Right? Because if you have like 10 followers, they're going to be like,
it's who are you going to trust more? If you pass by a restaurant that has no cars parked outside, they're not going to get any more.
That's a perfect analogy.
Yeah, that's like my favorite one.
So let's check out your memes, right? Rains overnight. We really needed that.
It's a dad. It's just the typical dad.
But you have guys following you, because this was initially
a
bunch of like sexy girls in swimsuits. So you're still hitting the target audience, which is good. But if we look at his story, right, $5 dad hats. He's doing an end of summer sale, right? $5. Now, full disclosure. Let's see what does that cost you on AliExpress, dude?
It costs. All right. So this is
let's see,
a little bit confusing, but it costs about the price of what I'm selling it at. $5, limit 1 per person, because my sales would fail if I tried to do more than one.
Yeah,
per
you're trying
person.
to still figure out the scalability, but
yeah. What I'm doing is charging about maybe 9. I think I made it about $9.45 for shipping, just so it doesn't hit the 15 mark on checkout. Just like mine kind of.
So essentially, it's like a sexy offer up front, like $5 dad hats.
It's meant to grab their attention.
Yeah, once they get into the checkout, it's going to be $9 shipping, and then he profits off that $9. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess that's really it. I mean, we can make different videos going deeper into it, but I just want to bring Drew on board here because he's utilizing the power of Instagram. You guys aren't aware like how crazy it is, the opportunity we have right now, especially with Instagram, social media, like people making millions of dollars, like girls with nice butts, people posting memes. Like, the world is insane, man. If you're not taking advantage of this opportunity right now, you're missing out. So Drew, thanks for coming on, man.
Thanks for having
We're
me.
going to sign off, guys.